Hi, my name is Chani Modi. I drive co-innovation between VMware and strategic partners like Dell with focus on multi-cloud and SaaS transformation technologies. In this brief session, I will introduce you to the VMware Cloud Architecture we have built in partnership with Dell and Equinix. VMware's vision of AnyAny has been in place for several years, which is to empower customers to access any app on any device from any cloud with intrinsic security architected in across every layer. We continue to build and execute on this vision, expanding our portfolio to accelerate and extend our lead. A survey done by Forrester Consulting with 526 decision makers from various industries globally showed 80% of enterprises had to accelerate the remote workforce strategy because of the pandemic, with 65% of the enterprises unprepared and piecing it together. Management across a multi-cloud environment can be a challenge for organizations, as well as increased costs in protecting workloads. Improving operational governance and automating core processes are also high priorities to solve. Successful digital transformations typically require a business strategy, an app strategy, and a cloud strategy with a cloud operating model that binds them together. Most challenges come when the cloud operating model is skipped. A cloud operating model describes the people, processes, and technology changes required to evolve an organization and effectively manage our cloud services. That is the vision of VMware Cloud. VMware Cloud is the same code base that runs everywhere. We have shown it running in AWS for a few years, and now same code base in Azure and Google Cloud. VMC on Dell provides the same infrastructure for on-prem private cloud. VMware Cloud strives to achieve consistent experience, processes, and tools for managing the infrastructure. We have achieved that, but there was still a gap between the islands of hyperscalers and on-prem. That led us to partner with Equinix, who helped us bridge the chasm between the two islands. VMware Cloud with Equinix is industry's first full infrastructure stack, enabled potentially at all Equinix locations. The combination closed the gap between the two islands, enabling private cloud customers to view this as an extension of their private cloud, serving all the above needs and provide a direct path, if needed, to hyperscalers. VMware Cloud infrastructure spans all the way from self-managed to private cloud to on-prem appliances to fully managed SDDC as a service to public cloud services. What we are bringing together is VMC on Dell, which has been available and gets the same experience and value proposition to have VMware Cloud with Equinix on Dell. Let's look at the architecture. This architecture, jointly engineered with Equinix, enables customers to automate and simplify the ability to connect on-prem to hyperscalers through VMware's consistent cloud operating model. Here, you can see on the left, customer has choices such as MPLS, SD-WAN, or public internet to connect Equinix data center and customer data center. In the center, you see VMware Cloud on Dell EMC hosted at Equinix data center, which connects to various hyperscalers such as VMC on AWS, GCVE, and AVS over Equinix, providing high-speed network backbone. Here is the end-to-end architecture view. To the left is the customer data center. In the center is Equinix Colo, where VMware Cloud on Dell EMC is hosted. On the right, we have all the hyperscalers running VMware SDDC and providing consistent VMware Cloud experience. Network connectivity is the foundation of all these three infrastructure endpoints. To dig deeper into this architecture, please watch a short 15-minute vBrown Bag session or join us for a live 60-minute Tech Plus tutorial session where we would be glad to answer your questions. To summarize, VMware offers consistent cloud operating model. We help reduce complexity with a simplified cloud infrastructure in partnership with Dell. We help you maintain data sovereignty, global reach, and bandwidth up to 100 Gbps with Equinix. Together, let's take the fastest path to cloud and modernization. Please join us on Vision and Innovation Slack channel to engage with team members or leave questions on Slack that we can get back to you on. I will leave you all with some useful links. Thank you for your time and enjoy VMworld.